time. Yes. Enough of that stuff over there. Woo, there's a party. We are going to have a party on the Midway. On the Midway, but in the lower thing we're going to be, and it's My Outer Space celebrating its launch. It's going to be so good. The growth of Twitter. Well, Twitter's been growing. Twitter started off as a little tweet, and now it's a big Twitter. Millions of people are communicating. I myself am twittering, and in fact, one Twitter from my Twitter station, whatever you call it, enabled My Outer Space to move ahead. 12 million hits later, after one tweet on my station. What do you call it? My station? My Twitter. My account. One tweet on my account. 12 million hits on My Outer Space shortly thereafter, and it began the advent of My Outer Space. That's how good Twitter is. Then, in addition to that, I'm doing a series called "Bleep My Father," my dad says, based on the fact that the guy who started this album was tweeting about what his father would say to him as he moved back into the house. Ed got 1.5 million people and encouraged Warner Brothers and CBS to make it into a series, which starts this season in September, towards the end of September 29th, I think. Bleep My Father says. In addition to that, on Thursday, August 29th, Aftermath it premieres, and it is so special that I recommend all of you all of you listening in, looking at A&E on the 29th at 10 o'clock. Something very special is going to happen. So let's go to the party.